Every day, millions of people around the world enjoy fresh bread. But behind every slice is a massive industrial operation designed for precision, speed, and quality. Every worker follows strict hygiene procedures to maintain the highest food safety standards. The journey of every loaf begins with carefully selected ingredients to the factory. Thousands of kilograms of ingredients are stored in controlled environments before production begins. Advanced technology ensures receives the exact recipe required for perfect consistency. The mixing stage transforms simple ingredients into the foundation of every loaf. Kneading develops the structure that gives bread its soft texture and familiar taste. Precision machines divide it in the dough into thousands identical portions every hour.
Each piece of dough is carefully shaped before entering the next stage of transformation.
Inside carefully controlled chambers, the dough develops the texture and needed for perfect bread. Inside these powerful ovens, controlled temperatures transform soft dough into golden, freshly baked bread. The most important moment arrives as simple dough becomes the finished bread consumers recognize.
Before packaging, every loaf must cool to the perfect temperature to preserve quality and freshness.
Strict quality checks ensure every loaf meets the factory's standards for appearance, texture, and safety. Precision slicing machines prepare each loaf for convenient everyday use. Automation allows the bakery to package thousands of fresh products with speed and accuracy. Every package is tracked and verified before leaving the production floor. After packaging, audited systems prepare products for delivery around the region. Every supermarket shelf is a carefully organized supply line designed for freshness and efficiency. From the factory floor, every loaf to local stores, every loaf begins journey toward customers waiting around the world. After a complex journey through advanced manufacturing and logistics, the finished bread finally reaches the shelves where families choose it every day. Behind every simple breakfast is a story of technology, craftsmanship, and thousands of people working together. From a handful of simple ingredients to millions of finished products, the moderns of Finnish bakery represents the perfect combination of human skill, engineering, and innovation.